Today's topic is essential kitchen staples every college student needs. I'm Dr. Sabrina Falquier, the host of Culinary Medicine Recipe. Here we go. What to have in your freezer: frozen fruits of all kinds, vegetables, including vegetable medleys like fajita mix, dark leafy green vegetables like spinach or kale, also any leftovers that can be frozen. In your refrigerator, hummus, eggs, tortillas, especially corn tortillas, but flour tortillas are great too. A hard cheese block like cheddar cheese, condiments that you can use like hot sauces, salsas, or low sodium soy sauce, fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut. As far as produce in your refrigerator, things like berries that only last for 2 to 3 days, also lettuce for salads, and then items that are easily cut and eaten raw. So things like cucumbers, red peppers, celery, carrots. And then items that take a little bit more love, things like Brussels sprouts or cabbage or eggplant that need to be cooked. Now, as far as produce that does not need refrigeration, having a bowl of fruit, easily accessible, bananas, oranges, limes, lemons, and then things like onions, potatoes, garlic. Moving on to your pantry items, a few cans of your favorite beans, ideally low salt or unsalted, nuts, 2 to 3 grains, nut butters with 1 or 2 ingredients, so salt-free spice combinations and herb combinations, olive oil, vinegar, especially red wine vinegar, breads, whole wheat, naan, loaf of bread, or pita bread are great, dry teas. Now, why did I choose this list for you? Because these foods are either unprocessed or minimally processed and can be used in many different combinations. Now, if you have a younger sibling or a friend that lives in the dorms, we have another episode on dorm room snacks. Until next time, salud and bon appetit.